Hey guys, what is going on? TACWolf here. Welcome back to another World of War tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install custom zombie maps using UGX Map Manager. Now this is mostly for cracked users, but if Steam users are having trouble using the Map Manager as well, then this is for you. Now a subscriber recommended me to do this, and it was actually like a while ago, and I do apologize for doing this so late, but I just had a lot on my plate, so I am kind of free now, and I can do you guys, or I could do tutorials for you guys now. That was so weird. I don't know why I said that. But anyways, so now a lot of you guys are probably wondering what this tutorial is for, and I'll explain it to you guys really quick. Now, a lot of people on cracked versions of World at War, pirated versions of World at War, cannot install maps using UGX Map Manager because the program does not save it automatically to their mods folder like it does with the Steam version. And not only that, UGX Map Manager doesn't allow you to set your destination for where you want to save your maps, unless you do this simple trick. It's not really a trick, it's just in the program, except no one really knows about it because it doesn't tell you. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. So I'm going to open up the Map Manager. Hopefully it opens up fast. There we go. Computer is a bit cranky again because I always just turn it on. I turn it on in a new tutorial. I don't really let it run all day. But anyways, so let's choose a map we want to download. Honestly, there's a lot here that I don't have because I don't play this game anymore. I can't anyways. It's broken or something. So let's get Rainy Death, whatever that is. So choose a map you want, and in this case I want Rainy Death. And right when you guys choose a map, at the bottom left of your screen, click Show All Map Versions. When you guys click this, it'll automatically just bring you to another list of maps, same list of maps, just with more versions of the same map. So in this case, like, I don't even know how to, okay, Undead Town, that has regular version, and then has version 1.3, so, each map has different versions. And what this does, it kind of allows you to save it wherever you want. So in this case, if I hit download selected map, this will allow me to save it to my own destination, and in this case I'm going to save it to my desktop. But before I do that, I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like when you don't click show all map versions. So let's say I want to download Rainy Death version 1.1. I hit download, and as you guys can see, it just automatically downloads it. I don't know where it's downloading it. It doesn't tell me, it doesn't let me set my destination, nothing. It just downloads it. And this way I can't really tell where it downloads it, and when I open up my game, it's not even in my mods folder. So that's why I'm showing you guys, or that's why I'm doing this tutorial for you guys, showing you guys how to actually set it to your own destination. So I'm going to set it to my desktop and hit download. Now I'm going to let this thing download. It's going to be fairly quick, so I shouldn't really have to cut out anything. But alright guys, so our map is pretty much done downloading. Now what you will notice straight away, or probably not, we'll see. Yeah, what you will notice is it says it's done, but it's nowhere to be seen on my desktop yet. Now, you guys will have to wait at least a couple seconds before this thing actually completely downloads the map for you. Because even when it says it's done, it's not actually done. It's still downloading something, and it should pop up in just a few. So in this case, I'm just going to wait for it to pop up. I know it's going to pop up right under here, or right under, or right next to smile.jpg. By the way, a map I didn't finish. That is my own custom map. Kind of feel weird because I literally left so many maps undone, which I can't really get to anymore. But anyways, should pop up here in just a few. Not sure why it's taking so long. This map must be pretty big. It's got nice features, not gonna lie. Can't play it though. If only I was credited. Alright, so as you guys can see, it did pop up on the desktop. So once it does, obviously, from this point on guys, just drag it into your directory. So in this case, I'm going to do that real quick. Super simple, super fast. And you could also choose your destination as your, World of War mods folder. Like if I didn't want to save it to the desktop, I could have chosen the mods folder, but I saved it to my desktop just to show you guys that it shows up and, tell you guys about the delay and all that kind of stuff. So there you go. But anyways, oops, wrong freaking folder. Mods, drag it into there, and boom, there we go. Rainy Death 1.1. Now I can play the mod. It will show up in my mods folder when I open the game and such. And that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Now, the reason why I'm not showing you guys that it showed up in my mods folder is because if I try running the game, you guys will notice that it does not open. So It's not my fault, obviously. The game just stopped working out of nowhere, to be honest. I don't know what did it. I think I haven't played it for a long time, so maybe it's something I downloaded, took up a lot of RAM, and now the game does not run. I don't know, but can't do anything about it, I guess. It's just gonna stay broken for a while. It's not gonna run, so I'm gonna have to close it up with, yeah, I already have 2 running as well, so kind of weird. But yeah, hopefully this tutorial helped you guys out, especially if you're on Cracked, and if it did, then subscribe, like the video. If it didn't, comment below, tell me what your situation is. And once again, if you have any problems with finding your directory, hit the description up or click the annotations on the screen. I will not answer any questions about where your directory is. Someone else could help you out there if you're too lazy to click a video or click a link. But I will help you out with any other problems you have. If you get any errors for UGX Map Manager, please make sure that you have Net Framework like 4.5 or something like that. Like, I'll quickly search it up for you guys. So .net, yeah, Framework 4.5 or higher. I believe they have 4.6 now, and I think 5, I don't know. But make sure you have that if you can't run UGX Map Manager, and that should work just fine for you. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed. But yeah, peace guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.